I have this round from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to remove the hanger. And I'm going to take my gold shortcuts and spray the surface in the gold and allow that to dry. Once dry, I'm going to take this mat that I picked up at home. I believe it was about $3. And I'm going to take my Redesigned by Prima chalk paste in chalky white, and I'm going to apply it to the surface of my mat, making sure that the paste gets down in all those grooves and crevices. An alternative is you can use joint compound, which is also white, if you have some around the house. I'm just using a plastic spreader to spread the paste around. And then I'm going to lift up my mat. And you're going to see the image on my circle here. Once everything dried, I took a pencil and I'm kind of dividing the gold hearts because they're kind of overlapping one another and kind of making a plan. And then I'm going to start painting random ones in the Republic red. Then I'm going to mix Republic red and white and then fill in the rest of them in this pink. And I'm avoiding any ones with the texture. I'm going to leave them as they are. And allow all of this to dry. Once dry, I took a white marker and I'm just making lines separating the ones that are gold, and then I'm going to apply a new hanger. I found this hello word at Hobby Lobby and I'm going to paint it in black. Once dry, I'm going to take these little blocks from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to take 3 of them and I'm going to glue them to the back of my hello. Then I'm going to put wood glue and a little bit of hot glue on the back side of the cubes and then glue it down to my project. So now we have this 3D effect. And then I found this pre-made bow at Hobby Lobby in the party section. It was 99 cents. And I'm going to glue it to the top. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitofancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfers, mesh stencils, chalkitofancy.com. Do not forget our cutouts. And we now have a mini and a large subscription box. Again, chalkitofancy.com. Thank you so much and have a great day.